Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting drone releases in the mid-tier consumer market, the Bwine F7 GIM Pro drone. With a 6K UHD camera, a 3-axis brushless gimbal, 10,000-foot FPV range, 70-minute flight time, and GPS smart features, this drone sounds like it packs serious value. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's break it down in this hands-on review, where I test flight stability, camera performance, battery life, smart features, and more. Package first impressions and unboxing. Right out of the box, the Bwine F7 GIM Pro makes a strong impression. The drone comes well packaged with premium accessories, 2 intelligent batteries, a compact carrying case, extra propellers, and a user-friendly controller. Setup is simple, even for beginners. The foldable design gives it a solid portability advantage, and despite its plastic build, the drone feels durable and well-engineered. Joystick, ease of use, and controls. One of the standout features of the F7 GIM Pro is how beginner-friendly it is. The GPS-assisted return to home, RTH, one-key takeoff/landing, and headless mode make it accessible even if you've never flown a drone before. For more experienced pilots, the manual controls offer enough freedom for creative flight patterns. The smartphone app integration works smoothly and enhances the overall user experience. Connecting your phone to the controller for live 6K video feed is intuitive and works reliably without much lag. Camera, and gimbal performance. Now, let's talk about that 6K camera. The clarity is truly impressive for a drone at this price point. You're getting sharp video with rich detail and color, especially in good lighting conditions. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal is a game-changer here. It effectively stabilizes footage even in moderate wind, giving you cinematic quality shots without the need for post-stabilization. That said, the 6K resolution is limited to still images and some high-res video clips, so keep your expectations balanced. It's not quite pro filmmaker level, but punches way above its class. You can easily toggle between photo and video modes in flight, and the 120 degrees wide-angle lens gives you sweeping views for landscape photography. Satellite antenna transmission and flight range. Bwine boasts a digital FPV transmission range of up to 10,000 feet, 3 kilometers, and in my testing, that range held up surprisingly well in open areas. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection delivers a steady, real-time feed to your smartphone with minimal dropouts. You do need line of sight and relatively clear skies to maximize that range, but overall, the drone delivers impressive connectivity performance, battery life, and flight time. Here's where the F7 GIM Pro really shines. Each battery gives you approximately 35 minutes of flight time, totaling 70 minutes with both included batteries. That's exceptional compared to other drones in the same price range. Battery charging takes about 4.5 to 5 hours, so investing in a third battery might be worth considering if you plan to fly often. Compass GPS features and safety support. The integrated GPS and GLONASS modules offer stable hovering, smart return to home, and location tracking via the app. The TOF time of flight sensors are a welcome safety bonus. They help maintain altitude over uneven terrain and improve landing precision. The drone automatically returns to the launch point when the battery runs low or if it loses signal. These intelligent features provide peace of mind, especially for newer pilots who may be worried about crashes or losing the drone. Thumbs up pros. True 6K photo capture and high-quality video with a 3-axis gimbal. Stable, reliable GPS and TOF safety features. 70 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. Long transmission range, up to 10,000 feet. Easy to fly, even for beginners. Affordable for the feature set. Thumbs down cons. App could use a slight UI refresh. Charging time is a bit long. 6K video is not fully supported for all frame rates. Some features require good weather and wide open space to perform optimally. White medium star, user review snapshot, 5 verified reviews. Crisp video quality and super easy to fly. Best drone I've owned. Impressed with the GPS and RTH accuracy. Saved me twice. Long battery life is no joke. Was fly for over an hour total. A bit heavy for casual travel, but the case helps a lot. Image stabilization is buttery smooth, even in light wind. Direct hit final verdict, 9 out of 10. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro is an excellent drone for both beginners and intermediate flyers who want premium features without paying a premium price. With stellar flight time, impressive image capture, and smart safety features, it stands out as a fantastic value in 2025's crowded drone market. Whether you're filming epic outdoor content or just enjoying smooth aerial views, the F7 GIM Pro delivers on nearly every front. Shopping cart thinking of picking one up? Check the description for the latest deals and where to buy.